What's up guys, welcome back once again to the reviews. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video just because of the holiday season is here at the moment. Christmas time's here, so I don't have a lot of time to do these videos, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this just to get this out there and shown, and obviously I'll do a review video of it later on because basically Gelid have sent this out to me to have a look, so thank you to them for sending this, and I don't want to leave them waiting too long. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this first, and then we'll do a follow-up review video so you can see how well it performs. This is another cooler. I do a lot of coolers on this channel, so I kind of know what I'm doing with coolers now, and basically give you a sort of an honest opinion of it, and obviously you can see how it looks, and then I'll do a performance in the review. So like I say, this is a new one. I think it's very relatively new from Gelid. If you haven't heard of them before, they do a lot of like thermal paste and stuff like that, but they also do coolers and fans as well, and now they do some AIOs as well. And from looking at the box, it looks really, really nice. But this is the Gelid Liquid 360. Nice and simple name. You know what it is. It's a AIO 360mm, and it says Ultimate AIO Liquid Cooler. So basically, let's have a quick look over the box and everything, and unbox it and show you what it looks like. So I've just sort of done a bit of a wide angle on this because it's quite a big box to get in, and the way I've set my camera up anyway, give you a better view of it. So like I say, this is the Gelid Liquid 360 Ultimate AIO Liquid CPU Cooler, so it should be great. But yeah, hopefully it will be really good. So quick talk over the features. Obviously you can see a nice picture of it there, with the RGB fans with infinity mirrors, and as you may be able to see here, the pump also has infinity mirror and a temperature readout, which is good to see. It's not a screen, it's just a temperature readout, so it will, I assume, just be for your CPU temperature. That's pretty much all you need. Premium class radiator, not sure what they mean by that. I assume it's just an aluminium radiator, 30mm thick. Infinity mirror, up to 1800 RPM. I assume that's the fans and not the motor. Motors are normally faster than that. It says noiseless motor. Don't normally do noise testing really with the motors. Probably should do, to be fair. But as this is stating noiseless, we'll probably have to do that in the review. AM5 compatible, good to see. High quality sleeve tubing, extremely cool performance, and temperature display as stated before. Right, okay, here we go. We've got a sturdy water pump design, efficient coolant through dense copper fin structure, so a copper water plate as standard, with micro fins in there. High grade material, ARGB, temperature display, all that kind of goodness. Anything else to talk about on here? So let's talk about the applications on here. So this is basically what you're going to need to know in terms of what it's going to fit. So for CPU socket, you've got AM5, 4, 3 plus 3, 2 plus and 2, which is normal. And then Intel, pretty much everything again, 1700, 1200, 1366, 1156, 1155, 51, 50, 2011, 2066, FM2 plus, FM2 and FM1. Why they're split up from those, I'm not sure. And as you can see, it's compatible with all your major brand motherboard software, so it shouldn't be a problem syncing it with those, which is what I'll be doing with Asus, so I'll be using Aura Sync. Also compatible with Razer Chroma, sorry. Quick look at the specifications. Some people like to know this. So pump and radiator, 3-pin RGB, 5 volts, block materials copper, pump connectors 3-pin, pump dimension, not really need to know that too much, but 75 by 75 by 56, RPM 2600, radiator dimension is normal, 27mm thick, and it's an aluminium radiator, and it says a max up to 300 watt TDP, and the tube is FEP sleeved, warranty 5 years, and water pump voltage is 12 volts. And then the fans that come on it have an airflow maximum of 61.9, LGB standard, hydrodynamic bearing, PWM connector, standard 25mm, up to 1800, and life expectancy of 50,000 hours. And then we've got noise level of 29.6 and static pressure of 1.67. Not the highest, but hopefully it'll be fine. They wouldn't put it with us unless it worked. So let's basically get it unboxed and have a look what we get. So I'll just get one fan out, and then the cooler itself, and the accessory packs to give you an idea of what you get. And we'll leave it at that. So first of all, let's take a quick look at the fan. This is quite an interesting fan design, to be honest with you. Relatively light, so probably not the highest quality. Let's just zoom the camera back in. Oh, too much. Zoom the camera back in a little bit so you can see what's going off. Yeah, they're relatively light and a little bit cheap feeling, to be honest with you, but should do the job. They feel sturdy, to be fair. They feel solidly built. It's just, yeah, they'll be fine, I'm sure. So the blades, they're sort of, I suppose, more of a hybrid sort of design. Eight blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blades. So sort of the way the blades are designed are kind of a hybrid, but 9 blades that suggest static pressure. And they've also got sort of like a ribbed, for her pleasure, on the fin as well. The fins as well. I'm not sure what that's. I assume it's to push the air through differently. I'm not sure, but there will be some reason to that. Sort of a rib design around the outside, vibration mounts on the corners as standard. It's hub lit, and obviously there's an infinity mirror in those as well. Cage on the back, there's quite a few points here. They're angled to push the air through better, I assume. Sort of push it straight through the radiator rather than splashing out everywhere. And that's about all there is to tell you on the fan. Like I say, it's standard ARGB, standard PWM connection with ARGB pass-through, but not PWM pass-through, which is interesting. But anyway, there's the fan. Looks decent. Can't really complain too much about that. We'll find out how good they are when we test it. So this is the cooler. Like I say, it's sort of standard radiator size. It's 27mm thick, so plenty for fit in most cases that obviously allow a 360. They do it in a 240 and a 120 as well, I believe. Link will be in the description below. Fin density looks pretty much standard, quite high to be fair, but looks absolutely fine. Your tubes here are all braided nicely, so they look really, really nice. It's quite a long sort of outlet bit here on the radiator, which is sleeved with like, what's the word I'm looking for? Heat shrink. It's really, really stiff, so you aren't going to be able to bend from there. All the bend's going to be down here, but they feel really flexible, to be fair. Not much to talk about on that. And then the pump block itself, again, ARGB pass-through and your signal for your pump. The copper heat plate, as mentioned before. Obviously remove that sticker. It happens to the best of us. These do rotate here as well to allow you to get into the position you want to get it. Looking at the pump block, so this is obviously your mirror, your infinity mirror will be, and your temperature display will be straight slap bang in the middle of there. Obviously it's really, really shiny, so you can probably see me in it at the moment. Hi. But yeah, obviously your infinity mirror will be in there, ARGB in there, and obviously your temperature display in there, which would be nice. By looks of it, you can't remove that and spin it around or anything like that, so you have to make sure you get it in the right orientation. Yeah, so just bear that in mind. I can't imagine there's any software to turn it. Well, there might be software to turn it around, actually. We'll have to have a look when we do the review. But yeah, that's that there, guys. Looks really, really nice. Can't complain about that at all. So let's have a look at what accessories we get with it. We get a SATA power adapter for RGB. Not really sure what that's for. Do you need SATA power for the RGB? Again, that's something we'll find out. And then we get a 3-way splitter for the fans, so they're not daisy chainable, but they provide a splitter for you, which is nice. So at least you can put them all together and just use one header, get them all matched up. In terms of accessories, elsewhere, obviously you get all your fittings here for AMD, Intel and all that good stuff, and then you get a little small tube of GC4 thermal paste with a spatula to spread it, and that is all to talk about. All there is to talk about really there. The rest of it is just the mounting hardware for your AMD and Intel, and that's it, guys. Not really much more to talk about on this. Just wanted to give you a quick show of this. if you're interested in this, obviously stick around for my review video, and let me know what you want to see with this cooler. If there's anything in particular you want me to look at, I don't know, but I'll give you that option to let me know. So if you want to see the upcoming review, then obviously don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like if you did like it, please, and leave me any comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to do a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll get on to the next video soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.